Today I'm going to show you how to collaborate with team members in Meta Business Suite. So to collaborate on a page, in managing a page in Meta Business Suite is very easy. On the left over here, you will see your toolbar. You're going to go all the way down to settings. Here, you're going to come down under users and go to people. And here you are going to click on invite people. From here, you can add in an email address. You can also give the option of temporary access. So let's go ahead and add in an email address. Click on next. You'll now get to assign different types of access. So if you have full control over here, this means that they'll have the same control that you will have. You can also just click on this manage option over here, and this will keep your business portfolio secure, and it's recommended that you limit the number of people who can control your portfolio. And then you have some advanced options. So you can change who can access the finance part of your profile or your account. So you'll either give them view permissions or manage permissions. And then you're going to go and click on next. Here you can assign a business asset to them. So you can see over here underneath this portfolio, I've got these two assets. I'm going to go ahead and select the ones that I would like to, say confirm selection. Here you can change the access over here. So if you'd like some partial access, maybe you'd only like to give these people access to your content or your community activity, depending on what their job role is. And then if you want to give them full access, you can go and just select this one here. Click on next. Here you will just review your invitation so you can see who it's being sent to. You can see the portfolio and the asset, and go ahead and click on invite with one asset.